all had a really good break. When we've got new people here, we like to give them a really good induction. So that's what today is about for most people. Induction to the business, how we operate, introduction to all of you guys, and then all the individual chainsaw, chipper, climbing inductions. I'm leading this muck of crew, just trying to get the direction, everyone moving in the same direction, build the business to a place where it's really sustainable and everyone gets everything they need to fulfill their jobs. That's my main role. Provide systems and work environments for people to function. That's basically my role, so across all the business. So 2025 is going to be a big year. At the start of each contract, you all have roles. You'll be briefed on what the contract's about, and we want our clients to realize the value of the trees, and that's really where our expertise lies, is in the management and care of the trees, so that they can provide a really good environment for schools, for the public, for the urban environment, for residential care. So thanks, guys.